Hello guys, in this video, ituturo ko lang sa inyo ang pinakamadaling paraan upang malaman natin kung magkano ang ating maloloan sa SSS. Of course, you need to have your SSS online account together with your username and password. So, let's start. So, to start, let's go to our browser and then type natin itong SSS member login. So, this one. Para din na siya. So, i-click natin itong Republic of the Philippines Social Security System /member. So, dito tayo. Itong pinaka-unang lumabas. So, enter lang natin yung ating username and password. So, make sure you have a copy of your username and password. So, dito, ito na yung pinaka homepage ng ating profile sa SSS. So, dito makikita natin itong home, member info, inquiry, benefits, loan, services, payment reference number, earn, log out. So, dito tayo sa loans. So, para makita natin kung magkano yung ating pwedeng ma-loan sa SSS, itry natin siya i-apply for salary loan. So, i-click natin ito. So, ayan. So, this is it guys. So, nakita natin kung magkano ang loanable amount ko. So, dito, loanable amount, it's 28,000. So, yung bank details and all. So, that's it. So, ito yung pinaka-authentic na paraan upang malaman natin kung magkano ang ating maloloan kay SSS. So, it depend kung magkano yung contribution. So, lalabas siya rito. So, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.